Hello students, in last session we observed some basic tools in 2010, Word 2010. Now we are going to see some more basic tool in 2010. Again I am repeating my wording that this is not 2010, this is 2007. After school will reopen, we will do a practice in 2010. Now let's see. Here I type two sentences. Hi, I am in SSRVM school and Mrs. Aarti Sapra is our principal. So here if you observe this sentence carefully, then you realize it contains some VV lines. Below Hi and SSRVM, these are green VV lines, and Aarti Sapra and principal, they are contain red VV line. So what is mean that? Means green VV lines, it shows that it contains some grammatical mistake, and Aarti Sapra and principal red VV line, it's showing us that it's containing red VV line, where we can check this grammar and spelling mistakes in review tab. Where? In review tab. Let's see. So can you see this review tab? In review tab, in proofing group, spelling and grammar. So after pressing this, it's showing us a dialog box. Okay, now I was in word Aarti, so it's showing me it's a spelling mistakes. Okay, here ignore once, ignore all. Okay, ignore once means right now he will ignore that word and he will not showing that this is a spelling mistake. After that, ignore all. Ignore all means in our document where he will see Aarti, then in that case he will not show us that it's a spelling mistake. After that, we are having add to dictionary. Okay, add to dictionary. Again I'm going on Sapra, again review, proofing group and spelling and grammar mistake. Now he is showing me okay dialog box for error and spelling and grammar. Okay, here I type, I select ignore once. Now he is ignoring Aarti. Now you can't see Aarti with red VV lines, means he ignored that word. Now Sapra, related Sapra, he is showing me some suggestions. He was thinking that I am wrong, I by mistake I typed this word, and right now he is showing me this some words. Okay, I can select here ignore, I can select here ignore once, ignore all, and third option is add to dictionary. Now can you see red view line below the Sapra? No. Next time when I will type Sapra, then also he will not show me red view lines, means in his own dictionary 2010 every word having its own dictionary, and right now in his dictionary he saved this word Sapra. Be careful, Sapra is saved in my own computer's 2010's डिक्शनरी. ओके, ये सिर्फ मेरे इस पीसी तक ही लिमिटेड रहेगा. ये जो डिक्शनरी है अभी चेंज डिक्शनरी हुई है, दैट इज लिमिटेड अप टू माई ओन पीसी. नाउ आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज अ चेंज all. Now I can change this word principal word with this suggestion. Okay, now I am changing this word with this suggestion. Next option was change all. Change all means whenever we are having principal in my whole document, that is a wrong spelling principal, he changed with this principal. Now again he is showing me green VV lines, means it's a grammar mistake, high. So here I am selecting high. Now he correct that grammar mistake. Again I am in SSRVM school, again I am changing that word. Okay, now he is showing me that there is no grammar and spelling mistake. Okay, next to spelling and grammar mistake, there is a treasure. What is meant by treasure? Treasure consists of word in group of synonyms and antonyms, which improves our vocabulary. Means if we want to improve our vocabulary, we can use, we can see some more meanings of these words. Now let's see. I want to check principle, and as soon as I select this in from proofing group, we can see one window to my right hand side. And now let's see, this window is showing me some similar word related to principle. Okay, these are some related word. Now here I'm typing. Now here I typed I'm so happy. Now here I'm typed I'm so happy. Now I want to see some similar word related to happy. Then I select happy, go in review tab, proofing group and treasures. Now you can see some similar word to this happy. So it contains few similar word: joy, joyful, glad, pleased, cheerful, in high spirit, blissful. Means these are some similar words related to happy. With the help of these, we can improve our vocabulary. Now next is change case. Okay, so in font group, we are having change case option. Change case containing few options. That is, the first is a sentence case. Sentence case, it contains, okay, I'm selecting here happy, and again I select change case. First is a sentence case. If we click sentence case, in that case